All right, here's one of my favorite questions to ask established sellers. When did you last benchmark the manufacturing cost of your best-selling products? Because when we're sourcing new products for our customers, very often we discover that they already have 5, 10, 20, or maybe even hundreds of other products that they're buying from existing suppliers. And nobody has looked at those costs for years. Maybe your purchasing volume has significantly increased. Maybe alternative manufacturers could produce it more efficiently and cheaper. Maybe your supplier's margin has grown over the years. Or maybe packaging, material, logistics, or even the sourcing, the production country could be optimized. Think about import tariffs against Chinese goods into the US. Could another market besides China be interesting? Um, and this is where, relatively small improvements can become game changers and be very, very interesting. Let's say, for example, you're purchasing $1 million worth of products every year, and even just a 5%, only 5% reduction in purchasing cost. That could potentially mean $50,000 in additional gross profit without selling a single additional unit more. And that doesn't automatically mean that you need to change your supplier. Many times you can keep your old supplier. We could first benchmark the product, understand the current cost structure, negotiate where appropriate, and compare alternative manufacturing options like suppliers, obviously. And I would start, first of all, with your best sellers. Why? Well, think about it. Which products have the highest purchasing volume? Which products generate the most revenue? And where would even a small cost improvement have like the biggest annual impact? And if you'd like, Zignify can review those products with you together and identify where there may be opportunities to improve your costs and therefore margin. Because sometimes the next big growth opportunity isn't another product. It's making the products that you're already selling more profitable.